For this, we'll have to use the z-table. So if 5% is above this z-score, then that means 95% has to be below this z-score. So let's look in the table and find 0.95. So in the body of the table, again, we have the probability less than a certain z-score. This is the same as the proportion of values in the population less than a certain z-score. Let's zoom in a little. Here we have 0.9495 and 0.9505. Hopefully you can see that. 0.95 is in between those. So if you said either 1.64 or 1.65, then you got it right. Let's just say it's about 1.65.